back, artistic family, to Shannon Gibson Art Designs. As always, I'm very happy you guys are here today. So I'm always excited when I'm playing with texture, and I'm also using something fairly new that I have tried before. So quickly, I just have a really thin teeth, really tiny metal comb here. And then I am very curious about how the texture will look with this mesh or drywall tape, which is sticky. Today I'm just using like the regular gel by Studio Pebeo acrylics. So I have used this as an adhesive, but I never applied it on as texture. So it's not very thick, but that's okay. You can make it thicker. And then I just have some of my palette knives to do some spreading. I will be painting with a brush. There may be some other tools that I'm going to be using. I paint intuitively, so I will put the details in the description if there's something I missed here. So I'm really excited to get going, guys. We are going to be creating, as usual, a simplistic yet modern, sophisticated piece. I'm kind of trying to decide on the composition, because when I look at a canvas, one of the things that I do before I get started as well is, even though I paint mostly intuitively, it helps me with the creative process when I know if it's going to be a vertical or horizontal composition, or profile, I should say. And I am a sucker for vertical, especially on mid-sized canvases. This is a 18 by 24, so it's a good size, but it's modest, in my opinion, for how I like my horizontal paintings to be, which is usually much larger. So I think what we're going to do is we are going to go vertical. It's always exciting when you try something new and you anticipate what it looks like, and the mesh and drywall tape looks great. And I broke it up there with the circular comb lines, because you don't want your composition to be extremely busy. You want a focal point and you want interest, but you don't want to make it confusing to the viewer. So I wanted to break up the comb lines and the mesh as well. And I love the variances of all the different textures together. And of course, the flow and movement in this piece. I love that curvy design. I've used it several times, and I'm loving how this looks